Mastercam and some other packages will be there. Though with that packages, we are going to generate the code. That code has to be entered into the MTAB or FANUC machines through computer. Then only it will run. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Sir, the code is generated by ourselves, sir, or by the
Yeah, that's what I'm coming to the point. Basically, any simple turning operation or any milling operation is there, and we can directly write a code and we can type it in the computer, which is attached to the CNC machine. But any complicated part, suppose if you observe a gear is a complicated part. Okay, so for developing that particular code for the gear is very difficult because it has very complicated nomenclature. If you observe addendum circle, dedendum circle, what is addendum diameter, tool pitch, uh, tool path, and crest, and we have to think about many nomenclature of the many terminology in the gate. So that kind of component is very difficult to manufacture or difficult to write a code. It can be right, but it takes more time. But why we are using computer and CNC machines is to reduce the time and man force. So if you take 2 days of time to develop a program or develop a code, then no use
టైటిల్
of
పడతా అమ్మా ఇది ఎత్తేమైంది
no.
టైట్ ఉండదు మరి అది
Okay, sir. Now you can.
So once you got, I mean, 2 days. If you take a 2 days, 2 days for write a code for a simple gear, then it is no need of use. I mean, what is the use of using the computers and other CNC machines? So for avoiding that problem, we are going to generate code by using the CAM software. We are whatever the CAD model we are going to. Uh, we want to design that that model has been designed in any CAD software, and that model is imported to or exported to CAM software, and based on the drawing we are going to generate the code, and that code is directly pasted in the copy paste in the copy with the pen drive and pasted in the computer which is attached to the CNC machine. Okay, generally there will be in copying pasting there will be some mistakes. So that mistakes can be erased by experts, comma, full stop, some kind of things will be there. So those can be removed. That mistakes can be removed, and we can generate the our required code, and followed by just you press on OK button, and a signal will be, our code will be sent to the CNC machine, and automatically it starts processing. Okay, and the exact code generation and how to generate code, and we'll discuss in the laboratory. And we are going to write a code for a simple step turning and simple milling, and we will do that in the third unit. We have the syllabus in 30. Okay, this is about the hardware. Anybody want to buy the laptop or desktop? Just you contact me. What is the configuration and all? When you go to the shop, just you ping me. I will show. I will tell you what are the hardware required. Without graphic card, you should not buy. Mandatory. Without graphic card, your software won't work. Simple. Right. Now, next one is computer systems used to design and manufacture products. The term CAD/CAM implies that an engineer can use the system both for designing product and controlling. CAM is a manufacturing, computer and manufacturing is the use of computer software and machinery to manufacture the three-dimensional objects. That's what 3D printing does. CAD/CAM applications are used in both design and product and program manufacturing process, specifically CNC machine. Let's do this. CAD/CAM software is used to design the manufacture prototypes, finished parts, and production run. What is the importance of CAD? CAD allows the easier environment, easier development of products and product management integration. It also allows for greater modeling and even provides a basis of virtual networking in engineering world. CAD is extremely important, widely used in design and develop products to be used by the consumer. So already I told you know in the day one class. Normally, day by day, these CAD engineers requirement is becoming low because um, there are some other tools developed called 3D scanners. If any existing product is available, just they will scan that product. I'll share that video also tomorrow or today. Um, just scanning the object, and we can develop the CAD model. And inbuilt, there is a, that particular 3D scanner software is there. That software is converted that images into. It will take the images per second, thousands of images it will take. So which will give you a better CAD model. If any mistakes is there in that particular CAD model, you can just modify how you did in CAM packages. Just now discussed. Okay, I will share that video as well. What the what does the CAD designer do? This is a basic question for every what do you call it? Every student like you. So basically, designer means term designer is not exactly correct for a person who is working on software. That means AutoCAD, Poly, CATIA, SolidWorks, like that. We should call him as a modeler. We are modeling the component. We are not designing the component. Designing the component is the duty of a person who knows about the materials, who knows about the function of the particular product, who knows about the software, who knows about the analysis, who knows about the optimization, who knows about the synthesis and everything. So then only you can call the person as a designer. Okay, you come across with the design of machine elements one. Okay, DMM1. In the DMM1, DMM1, DMM2 both are completed enough for you?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, yeah. So in that you have a question called design a couple. Design a couplet. A question. Am I right? Hello. Design a couplet. Like old home coupling is the question. Assume. Design old home couplet. Respond to me. Hello. Anyone else? Vishwanath?
Sir. Okay,
Design old home coupling is the question. Then what you do? You write some design procedure.
Yes, sir. And we solve through some formulas.
Yeah, almost 20 to 30 formulas will be there. Sometimes
Yes,
you use the design data book for standard values and all, standard formula and all. So you going to end of the time you design that particular old home coupling
Coupling.
by you
Yes.
for only one diamond. You are going to design it for only
One values of diameter.
one value. That means a shaft diameter. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that developed or generated formula are called what? Empirical formula.
Empirical relations.
Yes, empirical relations or empirical formulae. By using empirical relations, we can design any size of old home coupling if you know the shaft diameter of the coupling. Is it clear? Yeah, that is the designer part. Okay, but what is the suppose same old home coupling you want to model it in a software? You can simply do it in a normal software like you do in knuckle joint, how you did uh, while doing a knuckle joint in your TS Cam lab. Did you learn the DMM? Hello.
Sir,
No. That means that without any design knowledge, just you develop the or model the your knuckle joint. So that means that there is no design knowledge is needed for a person who is working on software. So, but what is the designer do is simply you can see in olden days any drawing you want to make the person there is a person who works on the drawings, and that person name is called draftsman. You know that person name is draftsman. That's why we using an instrument called in the first year that is called mini drafter, which is who is the person who is working on the drafter and who drafts the diagrams. That person is called a draftsman. But later on, we come across with the softwares, and we are going to do the same work, but we are calling that as a model. Okay. Now, you observe this CAD drafters use computer design software to create designs, schematics used to manufacture products or construct buildings. These professionals may specialize in areas including civil, mechanical, and electrical engineering or drafting. So now CAD is separated into several areas: mechanical design, civil designs, architectural designs, electrical design. But should not think that all, suppose electrical CAD is there, so there is any different electrical CAD software is there. No. Civil, there is no no civil CAD is available. Only AutoCAD means that only AutoCAD, that's it. There is no other software is available. Only we are using in electrical, what are the commands you use, you use those commands. Civil, what are the commands, you use that command. Mechanical, maximum mechanical people use the 2D and 3D, but electrical people and civil people don't use the 3D basically. I mean, 90%. Only 10% usage will be there for 3D further. So, so this is the CAD designer work or CAD modeler work. Now, what is the importance of CAD? Already I told you, if I want to develop a product, so I want to design something, so it takes 2 days of time, then there is no meaning of using the computer. CAD allows for the easier development of the products and product management integration, and it allows for greater modeling and even provides ways of virtual networking in the engineering world. CAD is extremely important, widely used to design the development of products. So the same, I think the same slide. What is the difference between uh, what is a CAD and its advantages? CAD advantage ability to producing very accurate designs. This is the part we are very much concentrate on this accuracy. How much you give the accurate designs and optimized designs, that much um, importance you have. Uh, Generally, please answer my question. Once you use Creo and SolidWorks, you developed one model tree beside to the drawing. Am I right? Automatically created. Once you did some operations in the package, the model tree is created beside to the drawing. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So your accuracy, your optimization, your efficiency is defined and understood by the examiner or employer will be how much reduce the size of model tree. That much
How many
you,
less steps we took?
yeah, that's it. In mathematics also there are long steps will be there. Okay, how much you reduce the steps, that much you understood the concept. Similarly, how much you reduce the length of the model tree, then you are that much accurate. So this is the meaning of that sentence. The ability of producing very accurate designs. Drawings can be created in 2D or 3D and rotated. Other computer programs can be linked to the design software with manual drafting. You must determine the scale of a view before you start drawing. This is very, very important for a designer. What is the meaning of a scale? Manivan 314 just entered. Who is this guy?
Gausuddin.
What is the scale? Scale.
We will use 1 centimeter as 10 centimeters.
Not that. That's
Linear measuring instrument, sir.
no, no.
డైమెన్షన్స్ అదే రెడ్యూస్ ఆర్ మాక్సిమైజ్ చేసి మన పేపర్ తగ్గట్టు సెట్ చేసుకుంటాం స్కేల్.
Okay. Yeah, yes, yes. Vishwanath said 50% correct. There is enlarged scale and reduced scale. These are the two types of scales available. Normally, if you observe any drawing, if the scale is 1:1, if the scale is 1:1, if I show you a product, are you visible this product? I'm holding one pen.
Yes, sir.
So if this pen is exactly you want to model it on a software, if it is you have to use the scale is 1:1. Hello, 1:1. This is exactly you want to use the same dimension. Use scale is 1:1. If you want enlarged scale, that means you want to double this component. I mean, whatever the dimensions are there, you want to double it. Then you have to show. Normally, enlarged scales are using for very smaller component, which are which is not visible. The dimensions are not visible for naked eye. So those dimensions, suppose 1 mm diameter components are there. So assume 1 mm diameter component. The component diameter itself of 1 mm. How there is suppose on that small threads will be there. So how can it will be visible for naked eye? It is very difficult, na.
Yes, sir.
So to avoid such kind of problems, so we have to enlarge the drawing who is going to manufacture. So that for that you have to use the scale called 2:1. What is the meaning of 2:1 then?
Zoom 2 times.
Not zoom 2 times. Double the dimensions 2 times. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If the scale value is 3:1,
Dimensions are
triple time, right? Suppose now coming to the reduced scale. If the dimensions are diagrams and we are modeling the values in product with reduced dimensioning, then we have to use the scale called. What is the scale value? Can anybody tell? I want to make it half. What is the scale value? What is the scale
1:1.
value? Yes, 1:2.
1:2.
1/3 means 1:3, like that. Okay. So these are the different scale. We should not consider the scale means only linear measurement scale. We should not tell like this, because this scale is nothing but the scale of a drawing is very, very important. On every drawing sheet, you just after this class, just to Google it, open some machine drawings which are available. On the bottom right corner of the screen, or a sheet, you have a title block. In the title block, it will mention that bill of material. What is the number of components are available in this, and how many quantity are there, and the material, what is the material, and everything is mentioned on this. And bottom of that particular bill of material is mentioned the scale 1:1 or 1:2 or 2:1. So 1:1 means, all of you say, 1:1 means what?
No change, same dimension.
Same dimension as per the product. 2:1 means
Double.
Increasing double.
double.
Two dimension.
Increasing 2 times.
2 times. 1:2 means
Reducing.
Reducing half.
reducing or half. This is the meaning of scale. Okay. And this is the class for today, and we will discuss what is the CAD/CAM and CNC, and the last slide, which is also related to the this one only. And for tomorrow, you already I told you start writing the assignment for the product life cycle. It is without software, with computer, without computer. Okay, and please write the notes and send the assignment copy. I'll share my mail ID through WhatsApp group. Please share assignments through WhatsApp. Okay. Any doubts regarding this class today?
Sir, once again tell.
Ah. Speak out.